guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'll be showing you what profitable card you can buy on Hamster Kombat to increase your profit power. So you go to your mining. When you get to your mining, there's a lot of card. Can you see I've unlocked all my card? Can you see I've unlocked all my card? Look at it. So the profitable one is when you're going to unlock, and when you're unlocking the profitable one, some card will be what opening by themselves, because the more you get to each level is the more they open it. So this is the two card I've never opened, because I need to get to level 15 and level 15 to open these two card here. And to get to level 15, I will have to buy some card here, because I didn't know the card to buy to get to the level 15. So I'll keep buying the card till when I get there. So right here I'll be showing you profitable card you need to buy, so you won't be able to spend too much money on the card. So right here you can also buy this card here. So you can buy this card here. So this is the card, you're going to buy it also, so to give you more profit. And you can also buy this card also, so also give more profit when you buy the card. So these are the two cards, and there are so many more, and this one also. So you can also get this card too to earn more profit, and this card you can also get this too to earn more profit. So right here, and you can also get this card also to also get more profit. So this is it. Let me get one card here. So if I get this card, I will receive 2,200 per hour till they close down, 2,200 per hour till they launch the Hamster Kombat. So you can also get that one too. And right here, so you move up, you will get all this one. And you can also get this shark too, this one also. This one to give more profit when you get this card. So you can also reward the video to see all your card. Not all card you see you buy, because some card give you small profit and you buy it with big price. So this one also give you profit also. And this one here, so this one is the biggest profit ever. Can you see when I buy this one 30 million, I'll receive what? So when you get it, you will what 9,000 per hours. So the reason why I don't want to get it is that I want this my balance to get to 13 million. So I'm going to get it because I don't want it to pass 100 million coin. So that's just it. You can also get this card too. So you click special to see all this card. For those of you that your card is not unlocked, you click new card. So you see some card here, you get it, and that's just it here. So let me show you again. First, you get this card here, you get this card, get this card, get this card, this one. So you scroll down, scroll down, and you also get this card. So that's just it here. And this is more card that also pays again, that give you more profit. So you also get this license to Japan. So you get this card also. This one also give more profit also. So look at it here. So when I buy this on 7 million, I will receive 6. So you can also get this card too. It's also profitable. And also get this card also. This one too also down here. So you get this card too. It also give more profit, and it's very easy to get. And there are some cards that you have to refer people before you can get the card. So you just try to refer people. Minimum is 9 people you can refer. Minimum is 9. Just try to refer 9 people. Can you see it here? So some card will be unlocked for you and you'll be able to earn more profit. So right here, this is another card you can also get also that will give you more profit. So all this card here is just a little bit small, so you don't need to get all this one. So those are the profitable one. I know